Anupam Kataria to do the honors. Mr. Hingaj Bhatia and Mr. Anupam Kataria. Miss Anupam Kataria, sorry.
Miss Anupam.
Miss Anupam. The Sportsperson for Change Karamveer Puraskar 2012 goes to Mary Kom. This is MC Kom, Mary Kom, 28 years, is the first women's boxer of 46 kg category from India to have won 5 world titles consecutively. She has an Olympic 2012 medal, more than 3 Asian titles, and 11 national titles to her credit. A mother of twin sons and a caring wife, her achievements are a great inspiration. She established a non-profit charitable organization named Mary Kom Regional Boxing Foundation, formerly known as MC Mary Kom Boxing Academy, as a sports academy which focuses on underprivileged youths to become sportsperson par excellences. The efforts began to show results, and the academy has produced state and national medalists in different weight categories.
I also take this opportunity to congratulate Mary Kom and also congratulate Dr. Tang Singh Chinkolal, who has the vision, one of our erstwhile awardees who has the vision to nominate her last year, could not give her the award in absentia. And Mary Kom, of course, after the Olympics, has become a different Mary Kom, but she stays humble and in her efforts to make a change. So, thank you, Mary Kom and Dr. Lal.
The Sportsperson for Change Karamveer Puraskar 2012 also goes to Mr. Ajit Bajaj. Mr. Ajit Bajaj is the Managing Director of Snow Leopards Adventures Private Limited, a National Tourism Award-winning adventure tour company. An adventurer and explorer, Ajit Bajaj is the first Indian to have completed the much-acclaimed Polar Trilogy. He has won a bronze medal in the National Games and 1 silver and 2 bronze medals in international rafting competitions in Switzerland and Siberia. Ajit Bajaj is an honorary director, Himalayan Environmental Trust, and a fellow Royal Geographical Society. He served on the advisory board for the Adventure Travel Trade Organization World Summit in Mexico in 2011 and is a member of the Training and Education Work Group of Global Sustainable Tourism Council, the United Nations World Tourism Organization. Thank you, sir. The Sportsperson for Change Karamveer Puraskar 2012 also goes to Mr. Kuldeep Singh Bisht. Kuldeep Singh won various tournaments in the country as coach and president of the Delhi Rugby Football Club. Rugby, development of the principles of sport and specifically rugby in a community that falls prey to various vices at a young age has been his personal motivation. He started a rugby club with a motive to involve youth from modest background in sports to involve them in something constructive. Finances were raised from the members by sharing expenses of the club. Some of the members contributed through donations to the club and kits of balls and training materials. like to invite up on stage Mr. Hemraj Gandia and Mr. Anupam Kataria, please.
Come one more.
The Global Citizen Karamveer Puraskar goes to Mr. Vijay Mehta. Gandhi's message of non-violence struck a chord with the younger Vijay Mehta that shaped his character all his life. Vijay Mehta is a co-founder and chair of Uniting for Peace, devoted to building and promoting a global culture of peace, non-violence and poverty reduction. He is a founding trustee of Fortune Forum charity and has authored some notable books such as The Economics of Killing, The Fortune Forum Code, Arms No More, etc.
Thank you.
The Global Indian Karamveer Puraskar goes to Ms. Carmen Miranda. After creating business in the communications field that expanded into 10 countries, Carmen Miranda tried her hand at TV documentary making and teaching international communications and development in UK and a lot more. After retiring in 2009, she has devoted her life in making a difference in getting public opinion and finding amongst gods more informed and critical. Now I would like to call upon the stage Saeed Nazakat and Subha Rajan Thampi. Saeed Nazakat and Subha Rajan Thampi. The Global Citizenship Karamveer Puraskar goes to Michael Norton. Michael Norton started his career as a scientist, merchant banker and publisher before becoming a social activist. He dedicated his life for more than 40 years supporting voluntary organizations, developing creative ideas to change the world, and turning them into successful projects. He created the first language teaching program for immigrant children and set up the Directory of Social Change, which becomes the UK's leading provider of information to the non-profit sector. The Global Citizen Karamveer Puraskar also goes to Lida Shams. Lida is a young graphic designer who uses her art and skill for the downtrodden society of Pakistan. She has trained the women in Kashmir and Karachi jails, where inmates share their personal stories and plight through the medium of grassroots comics. She has also trained communities in Sri Lanka, Nepal, Thailand and India, and has also worked with various international institutions. Now I would like to call upon Mr. Naveen Gulia and Sandeep Gandha.
The Corporate Citizen Karamveer Puraskar Executive goes to Mr. Frederick G. Mendonca. He is Executive Director of Protocol Marine Services Private Limited. Importantly, he is also the founder, Chairman of Dimensions. This is a unique movement which has proved to be a game changer for Christian entrepreneurs and professionals in particular, and for the Christian community in general. The Corporate Citizens for Holistic CSR Initiatives goes to the Chairman Initiative Head of the APJ Group, Mr. Karan Paul and Ms. Reenu Kakkar. Karan Paul is the Chairman of APJ Surinder Group, one of India's largest privately owned family businesses. Under the leadership of Mr. Paul, apart from doing good business in various sectors such as tea, shipping, retail and real estate, the group has been actively involved in charity, philanthropy, social sector initiatives and corporate social responsibilities. Ms. Reenu Kakkar began her career as a crime reporter in New Delhi with the Indian Express Group, moved into financial investigative journalism, quickly rising to assistant editor position in a span of 10 years. She is now a Vice President Technology and Corporate Communications at a 100-year-old APJ Surinder Group.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to call upon Mr. Yogesh Kocha and Mr. Yogesh Kocha to do the honors. Mr. Yogesh Kocha and Mr. Yogesh Kocha.
Yogesh Huja and Yogesh Kochan?
Yes.
Not yet. Yogi? The Karma Yogi walks. Please come up stage. Yeah. And Yogesh Huja, are you in the audience? Yeah. Till then, I think Yogesh Kochar wants to recite a small poem. The poet in him has been inspired, so you can probably recite the poem till Yogesh Huja joins us upstage.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Jerry. Jerry, you're a great guy, and we were just talking about you a while ago. I've known Jerry several years, and he actually embodies what is known as a Karma Yogi. And I reckon we just tend to sort of follow him. He's like the Pied Piper. So there's a small poetry that one sort of put together a couple of years ago, and I was narrating it to him, and he said, it'd be a great idea for me to be able to share with the audience here. And it's all done in Hindi, so for those that understand it, very good, and for those that don't, and I'm sure some of us don't, I apologize, but the message is very simple. The message is that what is the essence of an Indian? And that's the gist of the poetry. So it says, मैं अपने ज़माने का गौतम हूँ यारो, मैं मूसा भी हूँ और मंसूर भी हूँ, मेरे दम से जिंदा है नानक की बाणी, मैं तुलसी भी हूँ और मैं सूर भी हूँ, मुझे अहद नौ का मीर और गालिब का मैं जानशी हूँ, दिया था जो एक दर्शन चिश्ती ने सबको, मैं उस दर से दरवाजे से इंसानियत का अमी हूँ, वली हूँ, कुतब हूँ, पैगंबर हूँ यारो, मुझे राम कह लो, मुझे कृष्ण कह लो, मेरे मन की आवाज गीता का नगमा, मेरी तर्ज को तर्ज इस्लाम कह लो, मैं वेदों के श्लोक का तर्जुमा हूँ, जो कुरान ने दी है वो तालीम हूँ मैं, मेरे मन में गंगा की मौजों की ठंडक, मैं जमजम हूँ, कौसर हूँ, तस्लीम हूँ मैं गांधी हूँ, मैं नेहरू हूँ, मैं आजाद भी हूँ, मैं तशद्दुद का दुश्मन, अहिंसा का हामी, मैं मजनू हूँ, मैं राजा हूँ, मैं फरहाद भी हूँ, मैं नफरत का दुश्मन, वफा का पयामी, मैं सुकरात हूँ और ईसा हूँ यारो, सजाओ सलीब और सोहराब लाओ, कनेडी समझ के, लुमुम्बा समझ के मुझे कत्ल कर दो, मेरा खून बहाओ, लेकिन असल से अब तक मेरा सिलसिला है, मैं आगाज हूँ और अंजाम भी हूँ, मेरे नाम लाखों हैं शक्लें, लेकिन आज तक फिर भी गुमनाम हूँ मैं नजरुल की आवाज की खनगरज, मैं टैगोर का नगमाए जा फजा हूँ, जो है लोग गीतों के सीने में पिन्हा, मैं विद्यापति के वो दिल की सदा हूँ, मैं हूँ शेक्सपियर और शॉ की तमन्ना, मैं मिल्टन की जन्नते गुमशुदा हूँ, मैं हूँ कीट्स का ख्वाब, शीली की हसरत, मैं पुष्किन की तहरीर का आईना हूँ, मैं हूँ दीदाए गोरकी का उजाला, कि जो उसकी माँ थी वही मेरी माँ है, जिसे तर्ज कहती है ये अहले दुनिया, मेरी मंजिले जुस्तजू का निशान है, पिकासो के फन की तजल्ली है मुझ में, मैं आजम के ख्वाबों का शाहकार भी हूँ, मैं चलता फिरता हुआ ताज भी हूँ, अलोरा अजंता का फनकार भी हूँ, ये माना मेरा कोई मजहब नहीं है, न हिंदू न मुस्लिम न सिख न ईसाई, मेरा कोई दुश्मन नहीं है जहाँ में, मेरे सब बिरादर, मैं सबका हूँ भाई, गदा हूँ मगर मैं लुटेरा नहीं हूँ, मैं जीता हूँ खुद आप अपनी बदौलत, मैं खैरों का हक लेके जीता नहीं हूँ, मैं मुजरिम नहीं हिरोशिमा का यारो, फलस्तीनियों का मैं कातिल नहीं हूँ, चरस के धुएं का मैं कायल हूँ यारो, बारूद की बू का मैं कायल नहीं हूँ, मैं सारी जमीन को समझता हूँ काबा, कोई शक्ल हो कोई चेहरा हो लेकिन नजर आता है मुझको अपना ही जलवा, शबाब पे मेरी भले लोग हंस लें, मैं निक्सन के जैसा जनूनी नहीं हूँ, मैं हिटलर नहीं हूँ, मैं कातिल नहीं हूँ, मैं खूनी नहीं हूँ, मैं अपने ज़माने का गौतम हूँ यारो, मगर आज तक फिर भी गुमनाम हूँ मैं। That's actually said for you, Jerry. Thank you very much.
Yogesh Dutta, please. Yogesh Dutta in the audience. Thank you. Yogesh, you're waiting on stage. Yogesh Kocher, director of Microsoft, a closet poet. Yes.
The Global Karamveer Puraskar Award 2012 for Rural Wealth Creators for the Communities goes to Mr. Nand Kishore Chaudhary. Mr. Nand Kishore Chaudhary is the founder of the Jaipur Drugs Company Private Limited. Its vision is to provide sustainable livelihood to the grassroots level people instead of securing commercial gains. The company has evolved 40,000 underprivileged jobless people into the artisans by assigning them to the carpet production processes. Mr. Chaudhary identifies key communities for sustainable livelihood from below poverty line category, unskillful and unemployed people having lack of education. JRCPL net profit could be rupees 10 crore annually if it wouldn't have created sustainable livelihood for 40,000 artisans in the remotest villages of India. He identifies and engages to mostly trained BPL category people, underprivileged rural women, SC/ST unskilled artisans, and work in those villages where unemployment and poverty are big issues. Artists for Change Karamveer Puraskar Award 2012 goes to mainstream actress goes to Dr. Swaroop Sampat Rao. Dr. Swaroop Rao, a Bollywood and theatre actress and former Miss India, completed her PhD from the University of Worcester, UK, and her thesis titled The Role of Drama in Enhancing Life Skills in Children with Specific Learning Disabilities in a Mumbai School. She is much inspired by Gandhiji's words, "Be the change you wish to see in the world," and has made it her mission statement. Concerned with the trauma faced by the children in the prevalent education setting in India, her endeavors reflect her refusal to comply with the present situation. Her next youth project is with UNICEF, Gujarat, an educational project for Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya for girls from the most socially and economically backward areas of Gujarat. Thank you, ma'am. The Artist for Change Karamveer Puraskar 2012 goes to the band Brikya. I would like to call upon the members of Brikya, Mr. Sharat Chandra Srivastav. Sharat is one of the founding members and driving force behind the band, and over the years has been instrumental in leading the direction of the music of Brikya. As the violin maestro, he is considered to be one of the best young violinists in the country. Brikya has been active in supporting a variety of social issues ever since its conception in 1999. The band has played on various platforms such as the NDTV Greenathon and Save the River programs, the UNESCO Drug Abuse Awareness. The award also goes to Jan Singh of Brikya. The quietest member of the band, Jan lets his tabla do the talking most of the time. His contribution to the band goes beyond technical abilities by playing his table to a different level of versatility, having mastered table under the tutelage of Pandit Suresh Savalkar. Brikya has been active in supporting a variety of social issues ever since its conception. Mr. Indrajit Hariharan. Indrajit was exposed to Indian classical and Carnatic music at a very early age, which helped him to play odd-time signatures with relative ease. He is a huge fan of funk, jazz and hip-hop, and has a tendency to jam with a tabalji at the slightest excuse. Mr. Sachin Kapoor. Sachin is the man with the magic fingers. He comes from a pop rock background but has evolved as a serious piano player over the years. He has this huge musical ability to add magic to any form of music, be it jazz, Indian classical, funk or rock. Mr. Karan Sharma. Karan is the rock star of the band. He joined Brikya 6 years back and is a huge fan of rock, who merges his playing style to suit any genre. Brikya has been active in supporting a variety of social issues too. Thank you. We have Rajat Thakkar also of the Brikya band. Rajat Thakkar is one of the driving forces of the band who can put any speed metal drummer to shame with his sheer power and speed. He comes from a school of jazz rock fusion playing, imbibed from his guru Ranjit Barot. The Artist for Change Karamveer Puraskar 2012 music singer goes to Rekha Surya. Rekha Surya is a practitioner of the Lucknow Gharana of North Indian music. As one of the few practitioners of this style, Rekha has revived and preserved the artistic legacy of her legendary guru, Begum Akhtar. Rekha has nurtured the memory of her mentor by propagating her art at some of the most prestigious concerts and lecture venues globally. The true value of Rekha's vocal practice lies in her ability to synthesize and integrate South Asian Muslim poetry from the Sufi traditions with a distinctly indigenous, Hindu-inspired musical style in the rag system. She has been able to combine two traditions to produce and perform music that serves as a crucial ambassador of inter-religious harmony, tolerance, and peace. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to call upon Mrs. Jyotsna Rana and Mr. Mike Rana to do the honors, please. Mrs. Jyotsna Rana and Mr. Mike Rana. Could we have Mr. Jerry, please? And Mr. Mark Parkinson.
Just to share with you another little bit of trivia, from the very beginning when we formed this awards and the conclave, we cast it in stone that we would not chase the so-called VIPs. And we would just kind of create an egalitarian. The original process was that we said, let's get the communities like the slum dwellers, the sex workers, the children, the street children to give away. And that's what we did in the first award ceremony. So for us, all of us are very important people. Everybody is equal, and that's the equity that we want to create, an egalitarian society. Thank you.
The Civil Society Karamveer Puraskar for Dance goes to Vishalu Jindal. Vishalu Jindal is a highly accomplished Kuchipudi dancer, a social contributor, a writer and a patriot, all rolled into one. She has founded Open Space Jindal Foundation, which is contributing to Mountain Children's Foundation to bring out their monthly magazine, Parvatya Bal Manch, Pabam. This magazine links and brings together more than 13,000 children across 600 rural communities of the hill state of Uttarakhand and carries their aspirations and ambitions to the district and state governments. The Artists for Change Karamveer Puraskar Theatre goes to Mr. Arjun Sajnani. A theatre actor, businessman and NGO worker, Mr. Arjun is renowned for his outstanding contribution for not only in cinema but also in treatment towards animals. His passion towards acting took him to New York City, where he also pursued his career, which encouraged him to spread the business in India. Facing loss in India, he went back to New York and became a professional actor. May I now call upon stage Anita Matthew and Professor R. Ganesan.
Thank you.
Kids for Change Karamveer Puraskar 2012 goes to Mr. Arvind Natarajan. Mr. Arjun McCarthy is 15 years old, an NRI who lives in California and understands the role of education in a person's life. Every year he spends his holidays in teaching children in primary school in his native place in Tamil Nadu. Feeling this was not enough, he expanded it last year by raising money to install computers in the village so that he could teach the kids through internet throughout the year. The Student Citizen Karamveer Puraskar goes to Tanvi Girotra. Tanvi at the tender age of 19 became the founder president of Becoming I Foundation, an internationally recognized youth-led organization that brings young people face to face with community development projects and develop their leadership skills to take action on issues that they themselves are passionate about.